You want to start your content creation journey, but you are short of ideas. You don't have any niche to start with. If you look around, there will be a lot of niche which you can try to build your content creation journey. But if you still don't want to spend enough time and don't want to waste your money, then I'm here to help you, because I'm going to share a new niche which will be very much interesting and you will love it, because it will be in low competition as well. So the niche I'm talking about is converting your songs. You can select any songs into music videos very easily without any effort, just using an AI platform. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the computer screen. So for this, we have to go to an AI platform called Vexub.com. I have already made several videos describing their features. You can go and check out the videos in this channel. So at first, let's go to Vexub.com and log in with your username and password. So after logging in, here is the interface. You have to just click on create a video. So already there are many features in this AI platform, like text to video, MP3 to video, MP4 to video, SMS video. So as we are converting our MP3, an audio song into video, so we have to select MP3 to video, this one, and then click on go to step 2. So now I'm going to make a horizontal format video for YouTube. You can make vertical format as well. Now I'm going to make horizontal format. So I'm selecting this one and then go to step 3. So as we are making it a music video, so we don't need a narrator here. So I'm selecting no narrator and then click on go to step 4. So now we have to provide the music, the audio songs. So I have an audio song already. I'm just uploading this audio song here. For example, this is the audio song. I'm selecting this and click on open. So now we can play this audio song. So this is an amazing song which I generated. So as this audio song contains music, so we have to check this one. Is the imported file music? So as it is a music, so we have to select yes. And then we have to go to step 5. Now we have to select the image style, and you can choose different image styles from here, like realistic V2, charcoal, human videos. I am selecting the vintage one because I love this type of music video. It will look interesting. As it is a romantic song, it will look good, I think. So I'm selecting vintage and then click on start generation. It's already generating, so we have to wait a bit. So as you can see, the content is already ready. So the video is already generated, the images are generated. Now we can play the video and see how it looks.
I still keep your coffee cup by the window where you used to wait. Sunrise hits the kitchen slow, but now it only shows me faint. I talk to you in silence.
As you can see, the video looks so amazing. I'm so impressed with the result. The images which are generated are so relevant with the song, which is so amazing. I love the video. You can try this. I think you will like it. And as always, if you want to change the images according to the theme or according to the lyric, you can change them from right here. You can generate from AI, or you can upload from your desktop as well. And there are other features like music, subtitles, styles, which are not necessary, I think, in this kind of niche. But if you want, you can play with them. So if you are satisfied with the video, then we have to click on export. Now again, it will take a bit of time. As you can see, the music video is being generated. Now we can download the video from here. Now we can save it to the hard disk. So it's being downloaded. Now let's play the video again. So as you can see, we have just converted our audio song into a music video, and guess what? The music video looks amazing, and you can choose this niche to start your content creation journey. It will look so good into your YouTube channel or any kind of social media. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. So try this and let us know what do you think about this niche and also the feature of this Vexub.com. And you can also try different features of Vexub.com, and you can check out their subscription packages because they have several subscription packages. You can choose what will be beneficial for you. So we will catch you in the next video with different content creation ideas. Till then, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye.